Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to upload a video to YouTube from a mobile device. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. Then in the top right corner, we have to sign into our account. Close it to add a video. There's Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, Library. We click on the plus button. Next, we can select a video. We can record shorts and publish. Let's publish a video, let's say this one. Click Next here, and then we'll make sure to come up with different titles. Then go to the description. Add it here as well. Exit, and we can put recently postponed or make it private. We close it, and we can make comments here. Like close it or open it, and then once we've put it up. We can also choose the cover art for this video. And then we click Next, and then we click Publish. That's how easy it is to upload any video to YouTube from your mobile device. If you liked this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.